grease that allows some incredibly low landings. This dad saved their dog that was being chased by a bear. These guys tried pranking people with a remote-controlled traffic cone.
That definitely has a backup camera.
Right?
Yeah. Look at her face.
I could have sworn I moved this.
And then we just put it right back.
This YouTuber made a device that allows snakes to walk instead of crawling on their belly.
Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep good?
This guy tried to get out of a ticket by changing the color of his license plate.
In Oregon, you can't have any covers on your license plates, whether they're clear, they're blue, red, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
So that's a violation of the law as well.
Okay, well, it's not there.
It's got a cover on it, man. I can see the white.
Here's a cool visual that explains why floods are more frequent after long periods of drought. The ground is so hard and dry that it becomes difficult for the soil to absorb the water. A little stoat discovered a trampoline that someone had outside their home. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.